Wrestling with a heavy, stiff rubber garden hose that constantly kinks, cuts off your water pressure mid-wash, or explodes under the summer sun is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your weekend yard work. Traditional hoses trap you in a never-ending battle of yanking, untangling, and fighting to coil a bulky, muddy mess back onto a rusty reel. The Pocket Hose Ballistic 50-foot expandable garden hose completely rescues you from that backyard friction, functioning as a lightweight, heavy-duty watering workstation engineered to deliver maximum water flow with effortless mobility. Don't let its ultra-compact, pocket-sized storage footprint fool you. This, as seen on TV, powerhouse expands into a full 50-foot line the second you turn on the spigot. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its indestructible outer architecture, featuring an amber-colored anti-burst sleeve reinforced with real bulletproof fiber. This high-tensile woven shield protects the flexible inner latex tube from sharp rocks, thorns, and rough concrete edges, easily withstanding high water pressures without tearing. Paired with a rugged, UV-protected outer coating, it resists baking and cracking under intense sunlight, ensuring long-term durability season after season. Engineered to eliminate frustrating tangles, the hose utilizes a completely no-kink design that naturally resists twisting, automatically shrinking back down to a fraction of its size for hassle-free storage when you turn the water off. Up at the spigot, it features the innovative Pocket Pivot Swivel Connector, an ergonomic, heavy-duty fitting that smoothly rotates 360 degrees to prevent the hose from binding or pulling at the faucet. It is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for homeowners, gardeners, and car detailing enthusiasts who want a tough, long-lasting hose that handles the dirty work without the heavy lifting. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this expandable hose for everyday garden watering or detailing your vehicle. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more home utility gear, lawn care tools, and practical gadget breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.